Okay, boat motor people. The question for today is your spring in here broke. So how do you fix it? And some other guy's video does a really great job of showing how to wind up that spring the first time to get it into this housing here, right? Because this spring, when you get it, it's not wound. It's just sitting there, you know. So, yeah, do what he did. Take a screw, drill it down onto a piece of wood, use the top of this to wind it, and you wind it counterclockwise to get it in here. And then once it's in here, that you're basically done. The hard part is over, unless you really overcomplicate things like he did. But thanks to him, I've got this far. Long story short is, you don't need to wind this spring. You just need to get it inside this housing, and that's it. Right now, this has no tension at all. How do you put tension on it? By pulling this string. Boom. So the trick here is to wind the string clockwise. And it's obvious. You just follow this, right? Follow this. Wind it up this way. You can get your nice finger grip on there. So before you put this all back on the boat motor, wind the string the correct way. And it's also obvious. You'll know that this is designed to, give this a guide and protect it so it doesn't get caught up on anything. But yeah, you don't need to kill your fingers. And I'm only making this video because I was killing my fingers forever until I figured this out. So yeah, no tension. You put the tension on it when you pull it. And then it goes back to normal. And does it have to go back perfectly? Well, no, not really. I've left the whole 10 feet on here right now. And I'm going to leave the whole 10 feet on here for a while. And after a few days, when I'm confident that everything is, sized accordingly and to my liking, then I'm going to put the handle on right now. But, then I'll cut it. But anyway, long story short, yeah, this is not a hard job. It's actually a very easy job. So go do it.